I am Dr. Shobha Mathew and I will be discussing market segmentation in this session. Market segmentation is a process of identifying group of buyers with different desires or requirements. Let's understand this with an example. We all are aware that Tata manufactures trucks, cars, buses. This truck of Tata is brought by transporters to transport goods from one destination to another. Whereas these buses are used as school buses, company vehicles to transport the employees from one destination to another, and even as tourist vehicles. Tata manufactured tipper truck lorries which are used by construction firms to transport mud and stones, and it also sells vehicles to BST. So let's look at the definition, which says market segmentation is a process of identifying group of buyers. So the market is segmented here as group of buyers with different desires or requirement. Again, we can see Tata Motors manufactures this Safari, which is used as tourist vehicle. It is also used by call centers to pick and drop their employees. We've got Jaguar cars and Land Rover cars which are sold by Tatas. But these cars are sold to the elite class. The cost of the car is starting from 55 lakhs. Some of the vehicles are costing in crores. So the segment to which Tata sells is rich class. Then we have got this vehicle Tata Altroz, which is costing 7 lakhs plus minus, which is sold to the middle class population. And we have got this Tata's Nano, which is costing 2 lakhs, is affordable by the masses. Which means again this vehicles are segmented to different buyers with different desires and requirements. Let's understand the basis of segmentation. We have geographic segmentation, which includes region, city, rural and semi-urban. Demographic segmentation, which involves age, family size, gender, income, occupation, and education. Behavioral segmentation, which includes occasions, benefits, user status, user rate, loyalty status, attitude towards products. Psychographic segmentation, which includes lifestyle and personality. Let's discuss each of these. The first one what we are discussing is geographic segmentation. In this, we can see that a market is divided on the basis of geographic regions. Here we can see 5 varieties of clothes are given, which is divided based on the regions. Maharashtra region, which wears this type of Nawaris. West Bengal ladies who wears this type of white and red sari. Gujaratis which wear this type of dress. And this is called the Chattai Munda, which is used exclusively by the Christians of Kerala. We can see Kashmiri wear, which means this market is divided based on regions, and therefore a cloth manufacturer who is manufacturing these type of clothes will segment and divide the market based on the requirement of different regions. We move on to the next: rural, semi-urban and cities. We can see that TVS manufactures TVS Excel Super, which is used exclusively in rural and semi-urban areas. If you go to the southern part of India, you will find TVS XL Super sells to all classes, whereas these bikes are seen more in cities. We move on to the next, rural segmentation. Mahindra manufactures tractors exclusively for rural markets, and because they have identified a group of buyers, that is farmers, and they sell for their requirement tractors. The next segmentation what we are going to study is demographic segmentation. Demography includes age. We know this Hot Wheel cars are sold to children, young boys, whereas Garnier manufactures wrinkle lift for middle-aged women and men who wants to look young. We know family size is the next type of demographic segmentation. We got Amul, which manufactures cup ice cream for individuals, whereas family pack is based on family size for larger families. Ashirwad Atta has got 1 kilo pack for small families, whereas for big families they have got 10 kg packs. Gender is the next type of segmentation. Nivea manufactures Nivea Men cream for men, whereas Lakme manufactures lipsticks for women. Income is also a part of demographic segmentation. We know very well that banks give credit limit based on income. They segment the market based on income. Social class. I am sure we are aware of social class. Middle class. Ginger Hotel, which is a Tata Group hotel, is targeting to the middle class people, whereas Taj, which is targeting the rich class or elite class. Occupation. We can see these dental chairs are targeting the dentist. So there is a segmentation based on occupation, identifying group of buyers, that is dentist, whose requirement is a dental chair. Education. We know very well Business Standard, Economic Times, Business Line is targeting or segmenting the market based on education. The next type of segmentation, what we are going to discuss, is behavioral segmentation. In behavioral segmentation, we have got occasions. I'm sure people buy Valentine Day cards during Valentine Day because of the occasion, or Thanksgiving card during Thanksgiving Day to give it to people. I'm sure the market is again segmented based on a group of buyers whose requirements are different. So Head and Shoulders manufactures different types of shampoos for different desires or requirement of buyers. We've got anti-hair fall shampoo, which is brought by people who have got hair loss, whereas anti-dandruff shampoo is for people who have got dandruff problem. Again, user rate. Vodafone markets its product and come out with tariffs based on user rate, heavy user rate, low user rate, and they've got tariffs based on that. They segment the market based on user rate. We've got user status. We know very well young mothers, when they are pregnant, they buy the stretch nil. So the user status is pregnant ladies, stretch nil. Also by people who all of a sudden increase or lose their weight. Loyalty status. Different loyalty programs are for different customers of Indigo based on their loyalty status. So they identify a group of buyers with different loyalty status so that they can retain their customers. The next one is attitudes. My dear friends, when we talk about attitudes, attitude towards olive oil. See, for example, if you want to sell olive oil in a village in Kerala, it will be not very easy to sell because their attitude is that they will use only coconut oil. They would not be very positive towards olive oil, irrespective of the fact it may reduce cholesterol, because they may have old people in their houses who have survived with 96 years of age having coconut oil. But it is easy to sell this product in cities where people are very health conscious and they have lot of salads to reduce weight and more of Western food. Next is psychographic segmentation. In psychographic segmentation, we discuss lifestyle. Titan manufactures 3 different types of watches. Tata manufactures 3 different types of watches. Sonata, which is giving value for money for people's lifestyle who is set towards value for money. Whereas Fast Track, which is catering to people, youth, who are going to use it for as a sports sort of watch, and Titan Draga, which is used as an accessory. The next type of segmentation is based on personality. We know very well that different personalities, office goers, sports personality and other casual wears. So Bata manufactures different types of shoes for different types of personalities. Hope you have understood the concept of